So the whole crux of what I'm showing you there with lists and how to traverse across them quickly using their indexes and the range function and all this kind of stuff, well, basically boils down to this. When we started at the start of our videos, we tried to change the item 17 because of the younger ages to 18, just for the purposes of showing an example. We were doing this, and remember, it only did this temporarily. It did not alter the list permanently. So that was a major problem. But now that we know how to use the range function and our indexing, targeting our specific indexes of the list, we can now use this particular method. We can easily change items in the list, and more importantly, the change will be permanent. So if we follow this particular way, in the first instance, we changed 17 to 18, but we only did it by creating a temporary storage. This way above here now is better, and we're going to have a look at it in more detail. We're going to jump back into our Tani, and we're going to say here, if my list, the particular index, if you get 17, well, what we want to do then is we want to say, right, in that particular place in our list, we want to permanently change it to 18. Okay, so that's what's happening there. And let's see the notes. This was the initial list, and we're going to see the updated list now when we do this. So let's print it off. And you can see here you've got your initial list. So that's your initial list, and what we've done is we've changed the 17 to 18, and more importantly, we've changed it permanently. So that's why the indexing and being able to traverse across the list is important. And see you in the next videos for our linear search, the first of our searching algorithms.